Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed 40 questions, right? And in this video we'll be solving the remaining questions. Now let's go to the question. What is the number of files used in numbering 260-page book? Okay. Now from 1 to 10 there is only one file, right? Similarly from 11 to 49, how many? 15, 25, 35, 45, right? Four numbers, right? Again, let's leave from 50 to 59. Let's take 60 to 99. It will 65, 75, 85, 95. That means 4, right? Now from 50 to 59, right? That means from 50 to 59 is 10 numbers, right? 10. And in 55, 2 5s are there. So 10 plus 1 extra 5. So 11, right? How many so far? 9, 20, right? That means from 1 to 99, there are 20, 25s, right? Let's take 100 also. If we take 100 also, only 4 5s will be there now. Okay. That means from 1 to 100, 25s. 1 to 100, 25s are there. Similarly, from 101 to 200 also, how many 25s will be there? Right? No. He's telling 260 pages book, right? That means, see here. This is, let this be 201, right? From 201 to 210. See, from 201 to, we'll get direct. From 201 to 249. How many files will be there? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. That means 5 number of files, right? Now only we have seen from 250 to 259, 11 will be there, right? Okay. Let this be 260 as well. So how many total? 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 16, 56. Right? Answer is 56. Let's go to the next question. What is the sum of first 28 terms in the following sequence? Okay. See here. 1, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 is kept in middle. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? How many numbers till here? 1. These are 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Right? Now again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 15 terms plus 6, 21 terms. 7 are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? What is asking? Sum of the all numbers. See here. This is 1. This is 1 plus 2. This is 3. This is 1, 2, 3. No, 6. Here. Sum of your natural numbers. No. 4 into 5 by 2. That is 10. This is 5 into 6 by 2. That is 15. No. This is 6 into 7 by 2. Right? This is 21. This is 7 into 8 by 2. 28. Now we have to add again all these numbers. Right? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 15, 35. 35 plus 21, 56. 56 plus 28, 84. Answer is 8. Okay. Now, let's go to the next question. A person buys 3 articles P, Q, and R for cost of 3,330 rupees. If P cost 25% more than R and R cost 20% more than Q. I'll take let's X is equals to X. What is telling? R cost 20% more than Q, no? So R will be what? 1.2 times of X, right? Next, P cost 25% more than R. I think P is equals to 25% more than what? 5 by 4 into 1.2 X, right? So, yes. No, this into 0.3. What is P? 1.5 times of X. He has given that 3 articles cost 3,330 rupees, right? So let's add all this. So X plus 1.2 X plus 1.5 X is equals to 3,330. This is 3.7 X, right? Is equals to 330. So X will be what? 3,330 by 3.7. 3.7 would be that's 1 by 10. See here in the previous sum we have seen that 37 into 3 is 111, right? So 333 means what? 37 9s are. So X will be 900. That means cost of Q. What is asking? Cost of P. Cost of P is what? 1.5 times of X. No? That means 3 by 2 into 900. 450. Answer is 13. Alright. Now let's go to the next question. If the sum of two digits AB and CD, AB and CD is 3-digit number 1 C E, where the letters A, B, C, D, E denote distinct digits, then what is the value of A? See here, A plus C, we are getting C. Right? That means either A should be 0 or A should be 9. If A is 9, from here, one carry should come. Then it will become 10, right? So, if this is 9, it will become 10. 10 plus C will be, it will be C. And C, already we have that 1 here. So, and value of A will be what? 9. Right? Now, let's go to the bottom of the question. 3 numbers X, Y, Z are selected from the set of first 10 natural numbers. That means from 1 to 7, right? Okay. Such that X greater than 2y greater than 3z. How many such distinct triplets are possible? See here, if I take Z is 1, that means Y should be, see here, 2y greater than 3z. So Y should be greater than 3 by 2 Z, right? If Z is 1, Y should be greater than 3 by 2. That means 2. And it should be greater than double 2. That means it should be greater than 4. So I will take 5. How many such values will be possible? 1 to 6, 1 to 7, right? Now, let's keep on like this. 1, 3, 7 is also possible. Right? Now, if I take here 4 here, it should be greater than 8. But it's telling from first 7 natural numbers now. So we got 4 values by taking Z is equals to 1. Now if we take Z is equals to 2, Y should be greater than 3 by 2 times of Z. So Z is equals to 2 means what? Y should be greater than 3. That means it should be 4 here. And X should be greater than 2 times of Y. That means X should be greater than 8. So we have to take 9, but only 7 natural numbers now. So we are exhausted with the values. How many triplets are possible? 4 triplets are possible. Right? Let's go to the next question. Total cost of 4 oranges, 6 mangoes and 8 apples is equals to twice the cost of 1 orange, 2 mangoes and 5 apples. What is telling? Let's take orange is equal to x, mangoes y and apples as z. Okay, it's telling 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equals to 2 times of x, 1 orange, 2 times of y and 5z. That's all. 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equals to 2x plus 4y plus 10z. By rearranging, 2x plus 2y is equals to 2z. So after simplifying, what will get? X plus y is equals to z. Okay. No. You got x plus y is equals to, sorry. Okay. You got x plus y is equals to z, right? No. What is given in the statements? Total cost of 3 oranges, that means 3x plus 5 mangoes, 5y plus 9 apples, 9z equal to cost of 4 oranges, 6 mangoes and 8 apples. Right? What will get after rearranging? Z is equals to x plus y. Right? See here. The equations are satisfying. So statement 1 is correct. Now the total cost of 1 orange and 1 mango is equals to cost of 1 apple. See here. This is cost of 1 apple, right? This is cost of 1 orange, cost of 1 mango. So yes, statement 2 is also correct. So answer is C. Okay. Yes. The fourth question. 32 power 5 plus 2 power 27. 32 can be written as 2 power 5, right? So 2 power 5 whole power 5 will be 2 power 25 plus 2 power 27. If we take 2 power 25 common, you get what? 1 plus 2 square, that is 4. So this whole can be represented as 2 power 5 into 5. It is telling what? Divisible by. See here. This can be rewritten as 2 power 24 into 2 into 5, right? So it will become 10. So it is divisible by 10. Right? Now let's go to the 55th question. Let P and Q be positive integers satisfying P less than Q and P plus Q is equals to P. What is the smallest value of K that does not determine P and Q uniquely? That means we have to find the smallest value of K such that it should not be represented with unique values of summation of P and Q. That means what? If let's take K is equals to 10, we can represent it as 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, right? So this sort of representation should be there. And what is the least value of K? Okay, so let's see. P is less than Q, right? So 1 plus 2, if it is 1, P can P values. So K will be what? K is equals to 3. Let me see. K is, if K is equal to 3 means we can represent the sum K only with the unique values of P and Q as 1 and 2, right? Without 1 and 2, we can't represent 3 in other form, right? No. 1 plus 3, then K is equals to 4. It is the only possibility to represent K value. See, even 2 plus 2 can write, but see here, P is less than Q, right? That difference. Here also we are getting K with which are determined with P and Q as unique values. Now see, if we take 1 plus 4, then K will become Same 5 can be represented as 2 plus 3, right? So k is equals to 5 here also. See here, we are getting same k values, but with different values of p and q. That means this is the smallest sum possible, right? So there are many numbers which can be not determined by using p and q uniquely, but is asking for smallest value. Smallest value is what? K is equals to 5. Answer is C. Okay. 56th question. A person walks 100 meters straight from his house. Okay, let's see. If this is his house, he is walking 100 meters and turns left and walks 100 meters. Okay, then turns again left and walks for 300 meters. 200 meters. Then, okay. Then what is doing? Then turns right and walks 100 meters to reach his office. Here is office. Now, in which direction does he walk initially from his house if his office is exactly northeast direction? Let me see. This is his office. Okay, he's telling this is in northeast direction. Northeast. Okay. No. We'll do one thing simply. We'll rotate this. Okay. See here. He's telling office is in northeast direction, right? This is northeast direction. And he's asking what? In which direction does he walk initially? See here. He walked initially in this direction, right? If this is northeast, that means this is north, this is south. So he initially walked in the south direction. Okay, in the exam also, you better draw the diagram. And if you ask such type of question, you tilt your question paper according to the angle and check the direction. Okay. The 7th question. A person walks 100 meters west side. This is west, right? He is walking 100 meters. Then turns left. Okay. Left means this side, right? And walks 100 meters. Same 100 meters. Okay. Then he takes 225 degrees clockwise direction. Clockwise direction means this type, right? This is clock direction. Okay. See here, he's telling 225 degrees from this is 180 degrees, right? And see, 225 means what? 180 plus 45. I think this is 45 degrees. Yep. Let's reach this point. In which direction is walking? Now, see here, in which direction is walking? Is walking in northeast direction, right? Okay. So what? Answer is D. Now, 50th question. A statement is given followed by two conclusions. Number 1 and 2. Answer the statement and conclusions. India is the world's largest producer of milk. World's largest producer. Conclusion. India is the world's largest exporter. We don't know. Entire milk can be consumed in the country itself. So we can't draw this statement from the conclusion. He's just telling that it is the largest producer. So conclusion 1 is wrong. No. India does not import milk. Maybe India had to import milk because the milk which is present in India may not be sufficient. Right? If not in this month, the next month or some other conditions. Right? So this can be inferred. So answer is what? Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Answer is D. Okay. 58. D. 59th question. The question is given followed by two statements. One and two. Consider following statements. Okay. Question. What are the values of M and N where M and N are natural numbers? Statement number 1. M plus N greater than Mn. Okay. Statement number 2. Product of M and N is 25. That means what? See, m into n is 24. That means here m plus n should be greater than 24. Right? Only one value is possible. That is 24 plus 1. Right? It is 25 greater than 24. You take whichever values, like see, 12 into 2, it is also 24. But what's 12 plus 2? It is only 14. So this is the only possible way we get m plus n greater than mn. So we got the values now, either 1 and 24 or 24 or 1. See here, he is telling m greater than n. So yes, we got the unique values. So m is 24, n is 1. Right? That means we need both the statements, right, to answer the question. Let me see. Question can be answered by using both the statements together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. Okay. 60th question. What is the time required to download the software? The size of the software. Size is what? 12 megabytes. Right? We got the size. Next, transfer rate is 25 kilobytes per second. Right? We know the file size. Right? And we know the transfer rate. So, size into transfer rate, we get the time required. That means we need both the statements to answer the question. Yes. And it can't be answered using either statements. Answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, friends. This will be the last question for this video, and the remaining questions will be solved in the next video. Next video will be the last video for the 2024 question paper. Okay, friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.